Today, guys, we're back in the horror flat horror Wanchang, and this is how we think. Now, let's find out if I can still survive. This time, I'm alone, so meaning it would be harder. Anyway, guys, let's skip everything. I'm back. Where am I? Kinda, you see that? Oh, there's got that on the screen. I have to kill this. Go on, let's go. Let's go. Oh wait, that's what it is. Where is that bastard? The bastard, diba? Oh, I need to forget scan. That's what unfair. Oh, hi, broken. Are you broken? No. That's one is crazy. One. Alam niyo na mahina lang ako. Go, 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 go! 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 First time! First time! May first time! May first time! Hindi ko pa guys alam mga superpower nila. Alam ko na si Sarah Redhead! Get away from me! Go! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Go! I have... You're hard. I just saw a red there. You could do the thing. This what I'm talking about! Oh. Ayan guys, nahulog ko lahat na gamit ko. Ay! Come on, come on! This time I'm ready! I'm never gonna stop! Come on, come on, come on! Go, go! Ah! Go! Oh, you thought you're strong? You thought you're strong? You thought you're strong? You're strong? No, I'm not strong. Come further. That's not. Oh dear God, this was crazy. Oh, oh no. Oh, no. I'm not gonna go. Okay, I'm here. So this one's problem. Ay, baby ko! Baby! Sige, patong. Pa! Kuha tayo food? Yeah, definitely. Okay guys, let's go! Hello everybody! Swing! Swing! Like I'm care. We need food kaya ako naghahan. Swing! 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 You there! Like me. And I'm gonna say one day. If you feel you want me, doesn't so wait. Be so pretty, blah 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 blah. Oh, Iris, you wake up one day. And to me, confess your love and generously say, I promise to do to you. Xiao Yong. Yay. Okay, okay, then now we're goofying around. Goofy. Let's jump down, Goofy Gang. If you can. Wait lang. Let's try this. Goofy Gang. Let's try this. Doll. I can even do this. I don't know. Maybe. At first, let's try it before say I don't know. Okay, let's try this. 1, 2, 3, Goofy Gang! Mob! Galing ka, Goofy Gang. Oh no! Bang! Oh. 1 block away from falling. I'm the Goofy Gang. Whoa. Okay, that's right. I'm the Goofy Gang. I'm with the Goofy Gang. I am the Goofy Gang. Wait. Let's go down there. Wow. Ay! No dog allowed in here. Oh hell no! No way I'm gonna torture myself. I'm gonna build at the Lin base. You remember my friend yung dalawang Goofy Gang? Tawag pala ng ignore Goofy Gang. Anyway, niligaya ko lang sa but what do you think? Oh, pwede niya din naman tawag Purple angel, goofy ging. Like that. But now we're joking. It's kind of not funny, right? What is the name of the dog who never eat? Ay, hindi ko alam. Joking. Okay, ito naman. Ito, gagawa akong funny joke sa inyo. Once upon a time, there's a boy running in the dark iskinita. Madilim na iskinita. Tapos, may isagaw na... What the hell? Nakakalimutan ko. May isagaw na multo na alang ulo. Tapos, nisapak niya. Yung pala, may ulo. Pero kalbo. Kalbo. Anyway, bala kayo. Nothing happened. Just ordinary jump scared. Yes, I'm at the base. Oh. Alam mo siya, guys. You're a horse, right? Ride! Oh! I actually damn you! Bro, huh? I need you. How much saddle kailangan nga pala? Oh. Sige, bastard. Why you turn? My village to a zombie. Wait, so... No. Okay, that's one hard. That's one... Oh! Ay, natandaan ako, guys. Natandaan ako. No. Wait. Ayun, namatay nga pala ako dyan yung bacon, yung nahulog, guys. Yeah. Ano naman gagawin natin? Konti na lang yung second na pwede ko i-video. Okay, maybe I cut this. Cut ko na ba, guys? I think not yet. How to crop saddle? I actually crop saddle. No. Just let me get that horse and test it. We start up good. Oh. You think it's fast? Probably not. Run, you freaking... Bastard horse. Bastard. Why? Why not get faster? Bye.